Welcome to SurveySparrow, and in this tutorial we are going to discuss what is cross-tabulation and how to do it. Cross-tabulation can be defined as a method to quantitatively analyze the relationship between multiple variables in a table. It is also known as contingency tables or cross-tables. Now, cross-tabulation shows how correlation changes from one variable grouping to another, and is used in statistical analysis to find patterns or trends within raw data. Let's begin with a very simple example. Imagine that you are conducting a survey to see how gender affects the buying behavior for cars. Analyzing this table is very hard with this kind of data presentation. Remember that the real data volume is much more complicated and huge. If I am to present a table like this, it would be more easy on the eyes and the data is accessible. This is cross-tabulation. Now I'll tell you how to make such a table and get your data cross-tabulated. From the main menu of Excel, select Insert and click the Pivot Chart button. And Pivot Chart dialog box will open once clicked. Select the value or data that should be used in the cross-tab and also select where the cross-tab should be placed. And ta-da! You have got it. The table can correlate different variables row-wise, column-wise or value-wise in either table format or chart format. When your survey results can be cross-tabulated to compare results, you would be able to spot customer trends and behavior patterns much more easily. You'll be dealing with humongous amount of data. Cross-tabulation can save you time and effort that could be used for the other productive activities. The data gets our pleasing presentation too. We have got more such informative videos to help you get acquainted with the newest addition to the survey world. Check them out here.